Sometimes you'll go to close your vertical blind and find that one of the blades has jammed. And this can be caused by the blade hitting something when you're trying to turn it, which stops it from moving when the rest of them are moving. Now, what we need to do here, I'll bring it back out, is we need to remove the blade from the hook itself. And I'll remove a couple beside it, just so you can see what the problem is. Now, what's happened here is that this hook is completely reversed from the rest of the hooks around it. And that's not allowing it to work properly, and it's also making a horrible noise. Now, throw those down there. It can be as simple as getting a pair of pliers and very carefully turning the hook until it's basically lined up with the rest of them. From there, you would turn the blind all the way in one direction, overturn it slightly, turn it all the other way and overturn it slightly. Bring it back to the centre, rehang your vertical slats, and then give it a final test.